What do you say we start a YouTube channel just for Kodiaks? Just for Kodiaks. It's trailers and Kodiaks. And of course Alex. I don't think we do. It's Saturday. We're back on the Kodiak projects. We're actually getting the flatbed built, and I got a couple clips from this week of just after work when we've been working on this thing. So I've been collecting a bunch of clips, and we're just getting the flatbed built right now, and it's starting to look pretty sick. So I'm gonna flip the camera around. You guys can check out the progress on the truck. Let's check it out. Well, we got it on there already. She got some stick out. Looks killer. What do you think? Just gonna give her a push?
I already did.
Okay.
I think she's flush.
Yeah, it's already. You gave it one solid push and did that.
She all flushed out.
This thing's like 500 pounds at least.
It's a spicy in it.
The old Kodiak's coming together.
Yeah. Should I just like fully weld these and then we'll just work our way back?
Yeah, tack that one first.
Yeah.
Tack like these two.
Yeah. Give me more welder.
Yeah, just in case we gotta cut something.
Sorry, like,
What do you say we start a YouTube channel just for Kodiaks? Just for Kodiaks.
trailer building or
Just flatbeds, trailers, and Kodiaks. And of course Alex.
Time for all that.
I don't think we do.
Unless you want to start working like 15-hour days and make it work.
I mean, I used to do that
Before.
when I was younger.
Still need to go out, guys.
I gotta take care of my kids when I go home. My puppies. That fucker chews the carpet if you don't hang out with him.
Oh no.
He chews the carpet. Actually, he chews my underwear. He gets mad at me and chews a hole in my underwear. It's pretty cool. He's over here burning his nuts.
Sir? Sir, get nuts on fire? You good there, bud?
yeah, I got myself stuck.
All
Holy
the-
pants
all
is
the
not.
tea.
Holy pants isn't recommended for me.
Not at all. Got a little headache action here, a little headache rack.
Yeah.
Pretty mint. Pretty excited, dude. Figured I'd make a video about it because I'm so excited about it. I don't see why not. Got the old Eastwood fired up. I don't really MIG weld much. Dude, you're killing it. This thing's looking sweet. Pretty mint. Anybody on the old YouTube land, if you guys know anything about throwing four-wheel drive on these bad boys, I'd like to make this thing more of a off-road recovery rig. It's got the cat diesel, definitely plenty of power to spin the tires, get it going. Super low gearing. Hoping to have an air compressor down here, hose reel up here. Plenty of room. I ended up using little I-beam action, the old hockey puck trick on both of them. Got this thing mounted, and now we got brackets going down. So we're putting obviously a hitch over the axle up here, and we're gonna have one in the back. So this bed's gonna be completely removable with all the brackets. This is gonna get all boxed in and basically attached there, so we're not pulling on this with the bumper hitch. Yeah, gooseneck mount's gonna be sweet. It's gonna be built off these going across. We're gonna have a little cover right here that's gonna allow us to get to it. Should look good.
Yeah. Looks pretty good.
I like it. Pretty sweet. We're not used to building big stuff. Usually we're building dirt bike parts. But this is a fun weekend project. Keeps our heads happy, changes it up a little bit. Shout out to Camping World. Got the brake light. Throwing it on the floor, you're gonna have that. Got the license plate mount, that'll be in the center. I'm gonna recess that for the license plate, and these are flush mounts. So I'll have 2 of those on each side. This guy in the center. So one of these will be backup, one will be, I guess, for a turn signal and brake light. Tied into that. We're gonna have two hookups. Basically one up in the top center, one in the back by the bumper. Yeah, it's coming together, looking pretty cool. Definitely gonna be using the hell out of this truck for the shop because we're tired of putting metal in the back of our pickup trucks all the time. And with the Bentec, we're always getting 12-foot material. You guys can see that on the rack over there. So this thing will be set up just to go down to the metal yard, pick up the metal, and back it in the building. Grab it with the forklift. No more putting it on trailers or in the back of a pickup truck. Oh yeah, dude. It looks good. Yeah, it's kind of funny the way this thing was set up. I'm honestly surprised it made it all the way out from New York to Arizona. I'll insert some clips of how the truck used to look because I don't think a lot of you guys have seen it. If you have, I apologize for reposting it, but this thing was a complete transformation for us. Everything from painting to getting this thing built. Got lucky, found a deal on that toolbox. Paint turned out pretty decent. It's gonna get wrapped, so we just put a good base down for now. This is gonna get dated completely. Probably gonna build a bumper too eventually, but I'm not sure on the wrap yet. Definitely gonna start sketching something soon. Like to, like I said, eventually add 4-wheel drive to this thing. Get some big tires on it. This is gonna get cut out. This. Already got plenty of room for the suspension right now, but still gonna cut it out because we do plan on bigger tires. If we have to, we can always space it up, but I think it'll work out pretty mint. Are you pulling it back off? All right, cool. All right, guys, that's it for today. We're just gonna continue working on this thing. It's just past lunchtime, so we're gonna spend a couple more hours on it and then try to go live a life outside of the shop because we're always here. But that's okay. We love what we do, and everybody comes in and, you know, gets a little overtime in and has fun on a truck project on the weekend. So I'm excited. It's gonna be sweet. I can't wait to get the wrap on this thing, get this thing finished up, start using the truck, and I appreciate you guys watching. Hope you guys like truck stuff. We just like changing it up once in a while. You guys probably noticed I didn't do as many videos this week. I needed a break. I did 30-something videos in the last 30 days, so you're gonna have that, but it's been fun. We got tons of projects coming, and stay tuned. We got tons of videos coming. Excited to show you guys more projects that we're doing, so I'll see you guys in the next one.